Pregnant girls are unpredictable, and sometimes they can't agree even with each other, especially if one of them likes the heat and the other one likes it cool. During pregnancy, you should see a doctor regularly. And Cindy follows the rules. Today, she has an ultrasound. Nothing unusual so far. It's a standard procedure. But there is one thing that the doctor has no idea about. Cindy is a very hot girl. So anything that touches her melts. And the ultrasound sensor can't resist. Wow! How am I going to examine other patients now? Cindy didn't want to cause any trouble, but it just happened. And here's another expecting mother, Julia. And she also needs to get an ultrasound done. Everything goes according to plan. Nothing is melting. But it freezes. Now the doctor has another problem. He can't tear the sensor off of Julia's stomach. And now the ultrasound monitor is suffering too. The doctor is having a hard day. Pregnant people usually eat a lot. Why not treat yourself and your baby to a delicious burger? Sure, but she needs to make it hotter. After all, Cindy loves fiery food. Modern technology to the rescue! The burger goes in the microwave for a very long time. I smell something strange. Is something burning? Well, of course! The burger couldn't stand the high temperature. But it doesn't bother Cindy. A burned burger is a real delicacy. That's what I needed. Julia also comes to the kitchen for food. Reading a parenting book made her hungry. The question is, what should she eat? Listen to your feelings. Oh, I have an idea. Look in the freezer. So, where is it? Where is it? Do you think Julia is looking for ice cream? No, that's too obvious. Ah, there it is! Frozen fish! What a delicate flavor! And this crispy ice crust! It's the best treat for an expecting snow queen! During pregnancy, it's important to stay active. Yoga for pregnant women is a great idea. Julia and Cindy go together. But it's not as easy as it seems. Oops! It's hard to move around with this big baby bump. They need to take a break and roll around on an exercise ball. It seems like Cindy found the perfect activity for herself. And Julia continues doing her exercises. That's a strange smell. Why do I smell burnt rubber? Is something on fire? Well, of course! The exercise ball that Cindy's sitting on! She is damaging property again! This time it's the gym's property! Looks like Cindy is stuck on this ball! Wow! It's deflating! That's all! Now instead of the ball, there's a piece of rubber! And on Cindy's pants, 2 patches! Oh, pregnancy is tough! But Julia is doing great! Woohoo! She can't live without exercise! Working out improves her mood. Julia is a real Energizer rabbit! And also, she's really cool! Whoosh! There's so much snow! Julia, slow down! Hey! Otherwise, everyone will turn into icy sculptures! It's so nice that her fiery friend is here! Okay, I see! We need the heating function! Cindy can do it! Well, the temperature is balanced again! It's good when an icy girl has a fiery friend! Okay, girls, don't relax! Let's keep going! Choosing things for your baby is such a sweet activity! And doing it with a friend is even better! Julia found something that matches her cool persona! A cool jumpsuit! It might not be cold enough! We need to add one small touch! What a beautiful frosty pattern! Nice work, Julia! Cindy found something too! These pants are so cute! They are such a warm color! Although, you need to warm them up a little more! Add some fire! That's better! Still, pregnancy is great! You can daydream, enjoy your favorite food, and here's Julia with a cool dessert! Ice cream! Her favorite! Except, not everyone can handle it. In Cindy's hot hands, it melts immediately. Ew! I'm covered in chocolate now! How can we fix the ice cream? Just give it to Julia. She is so cold. Put the ice cream on her belly. Here you go. The ice cream is fine again. Cindy is ready to eat. Vegetables and an egg. That's healthy and delicious. And if you can fry eggs right on your belly, then it's also convenient. Smells great. Order up. Enjoy your meal, Cindy. Julia is eating something again. And it's ice cream again. Of course. Hey there. Guess who? Nikki! What a surprise! We haven't seen each other in forever! What a big tummy! I wonder, how is your baby? Oh, he's kicking! Can I listen to him? Looks like this is taking too long. And that's because Nikki's ear is stuck on her stomach. Hey, Jules! Looks like we have a problem. Ouch! That hurts! Do we really have to go everywhere together now? Yeah, apparently. Hey, come on! Do something! Oh, I have an idea! Let's go! Heat the ear with a hairdryer. It worked! But it still really hurts! Maybe some delicious ice cream will distract you? It's a win-win option! Before the baby comes, you have to prepare the nursery. And each expecting mom does it in her own way. Cindy is doing as usual. Coals and hot peppers. That's a very unique rattle. So is this flashlight pendant. It's a cozy place for a fire baby. Well, we can't forget gold sequins. I wonder what Julia will come up with. Decorating the crib with snowflakes? Perfect! Let's add some more ice. Icicles are a great alternative to boring plastic rattles. You can see right away that a very cool baby is going to sleep in here. It's beautiful, but something is missing. Ah, a little snow. Now it's perfect! Did you like our sketches about hot and cold pregnant girls? And what do you like more, the heat or the cold? Tell us in the comments. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss new videos about different types of expecting moms on Troom Wow!